This was all you, none of it me. You put your hands on my body and told me. You told me you were ready for the big one. Welcome to Hachan Wimasuka channel. I feel like a katsudon today. I use a leftover tonkatsu and cabbage make a katsudon just like this. I will show you how to make a katsudon. Let's go! Cut shiitake mushroom. Add leftover cabbage. Use the leftover cabbage and microwave 1 minute. Make leftover tonkatsu in microwave 1 minute. After putting in the microwave 1 minute, it's a little bit soggy but it's still crispy. Cut leek. I like leek. Use 1 egg. It's large is better. Mix it. Don't mix too much. Just like this. Make a soup or dashi. Put in 1 cup of water and boil it. I add the soup stock into boiled water. This is called agodashi. You can use a bonito flavor flake too. Add half tablespoon of mirin. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And little honey. Remove dashi bag and check a taste. Good. Add shiitake. Add leek. Reduce heat. And add egg. And turn off the heat. Turn off the heat. This 1 scoop cabbage to make more volume look like. Put the tonkatsu. It's warm enough. Maybe 3, 4. And put the sauce over. Add ginger on top. That makes tasty and looks nicer. Itadakimasu. My body told me, told me you